Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my page. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing Makeup Revolution 20 days advent calendar. Sorry about my voice, I have a very froggy voice right now. I know I have catarrh and it's so cold and I have a fever, but I have to show up for you guys and show you guys this advent calendar. So I bought this during Black Friday, but it came on the 8th day of Christmas because of Royal Mail strike off and on, so we have to do what we got to do. So now the calendar just came. I can't wait to show you guys all the beautiful things I got. So I didn't get this from Makeup Revolution website. I got it from another website. I can't remember the name right now, but I'm going to leave the link down below. I got it for £25. It sold £45 on Makeup Revolution, but I bought it for £25. So £25 for 25 items, I don't think that is bad at all. So let's see how it looks. So the box is really huge. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful and colorful. Now I see why my kids love Christmas calendars. This is the first time getting one for myself. I can't wait to see what's inside. And for the first day of Christmas, we have a lovely lipstick. Yes guys, so the lipstick is so gorgeous. I love how it looks. I love the color. For my skin tone, I don't know if it's going to be very pigmented. I can't wait to try it. If you'd like to see me try out all the makeup on this kit, please leave a comment down below. I'm not a makeup artist, I just love makeup. So if you'd like to see how it looks on my dark lips, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll give it a try. I'll make a short video using all the makeup I got from this kit. So the next one for day 2 is oh my god it's a beautiful contouring powder. It has a little bit of glitter in it, so I don't know if it's a contouring powder or if it's more of a highlighter, but I love it. It's so beautiful, it's compatible. I think it's really gorgeous. So on day 3 we got a very beautiful item, and it's a mirror. Yes guys, it's a lovely Makeup Revolution mirror. It's very small. I love the size. You can easily put inside your purse, and I think it's a perfect size if you're going out and you don't want to carry a big mirror. And the next on our list is day 4, and in day 4 we have a lovely brush. So I don't know if this brush is for concealer. Yeah, I think we can call it a concealer brush or a little foundation brush, but I love it. It's very fluffy and it's nice. So for day 5 we have a pencil. So the pencil is a brown pencil that you can use for your eyebrow. So for the color, I don't know if it's going to fit my skin tone, but I'm going to give it a try like I said before. But it's not bad. Guys, what do you think about this Makeup Revolution advent calendar for £25? So it means that each item was like £1. And I think you can agree with me by saying that every of this item is more than £1. Guys, it's more than £1. So I think it was a really good bargain. And I got this lovely lip gloss. I love lip gloss at this moment, and I love this lip gloss. I can't wait to try it on. And the next on our list is another So the next on our list is another lipstick. So I thought the color looks like the previous one, but it's a bit different. The shade is different. It's more like a peach. I can't wait to try it, guys. It's lovely. All the items in this box is so beautiful and lovely. I'm going to leave you guys to just enjoy the remaining part of this video. I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Let's just forget I have, forgive me for this froggy voice. Like I said, I have a runny nose and I'm a bit sick, okay? So I'll see you guys very soon. Just keep enjoying this video. Sorry guys, so I lost the footage for the remaining part of the video. So those big palette is for the 25. It's a huge eyeshadow palette and I love it. So at the end of the day, these are all like the items I got. So I have almost everything for a complete face makeup look. Apart from foundation and powder, we have lip gloss, blush, eyeshadow, lip scrub, everything. I really love it. Remember to subscribe and share, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.